Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, my name is Maipal Singh. I welcome you in the classes of Guidely. So let's discuss this question. So the speed is directly proportional to the to the square root of the number of bogies. Let the number of bogies be n. So speed is equal to k into root n, right? This is the part, right? I hope you are getting my point. So the reduction in the speed, so reduction in the speed is in the format of k into root 16. That is, so reduction in the speed is in the format of 4k. तो आपका जो स्पीड जो रिड्यूस हो रहा है, यहां पर रिडक्शन निकालना था, वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल तो है, बट आपको थोड़ा सा यहां पर कंपैरिजन जो है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट वे में करना होता है. इफ द स्पीड ऑफ ए मालगाड़ी इंजन इज 72 किलोमीटर व्हेन नो बॉगीज इज अटैच्ड, द स्पीड ऑफ द इंजन इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर रूट. And if engine has 40 km per hour speed when 16 bogies are attached, so the reduction is in the format of 4k. So if I say 72 minus 4k is equal to 40, then I can find out the actual value of k. आपको डायरेक्टली यहां पर 72 और यहां पर डायरेक्टली 16 पुट करके या 40 पुट करके डायरेक्टली नहीं निकालना है, बिकॉज दिस k कांस्टेंट इज द रिडक्शन कांस्टेंट. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ k लाइक दिस. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर वाज कमिंग डिफरेंट, राइट? आई होप आपको समझ में आ रहा है. अभी आपको समझ में आ रहा है एवरीवन? इफ यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. So now from this point 4 minus 4k is equal to minus 32. So now the k is equal to k is coming 8. So k is coming 8. I hope you are getting my point, right? I hope you are getting my point. So k is coming 8. So this is the reduction constant. So reduction must be like this. So 4k is the reduction constant and 72 minus 4k is equal to 40. So तनुज, मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि देखो, अगर स्पीड 72 था जब आपके पास कोई भी बॉगी अटैच्ड नहीं थी, राइट? फिर स्पीड कितना रह गया? 40 रह गया. सो ये जो रिडक्शन कांस्टेंट है आपका, ये स्पीड नहीं है. मैं आपको फिर से बोल रहा हूं, this is not the speed. Let me erase this part. So now you will be able to understand that reduction in speed is directly proportional to square root of the number of bogies, right? So reduction in the speed is directly proportional to the number of the speed. So reduction is equal to k into 4, because the number here, the number is 16, because when the 16 bogies are attached, then the reduction is 4 into k. So what is the reduction in the speed? So if I reduce this speed by 4k out of 72 when there was no bogie attached to it, then it remained how much? 40. So now the value of k is equal to 80. So now 72 minus अब k का वैल्यू तो आ गया ना आपके पास 8. Now root n is equal to, so how it is asking the maximum number of bogies that can be carried by the engine. So the maximum bogies can be attached when the speed is 0. When the speed becomes 0. तो ये 0 कब आएगा आपका? अब आप देखिए, अगर आप इसमें से 8 को कॉमन ले लें तो 9 माइनस रूट एन इज इक्वल टू 0 हो जाएगा. सो रूट एन इज इक्वल टू आपका 9 हो गया. सो एन इज इक्वल टू बिकम्स 81. सो आंसर आपका 81 नहीं होगा. इफ यू गिव द आंसर 81 देन इट इज रॉन्ग. Why wrong? It is asking can be carried by the engine. So if I attach 81 bogies, then engine will be static. The speed will be 0. So this will not be able to carry 81 engines. So it can carry maximum 80 engines. Maximum 80 engines. Now I hope you got the point. अभी समझ में आया? So reduction in speed is directly proportional to the square root of the number of bogies. So reduction is equal to K4. Reduction is like this, root n. Or you can say that reduction is equal to K into root n. So apply this part. So this is the reduction. And reduced speed is 40. This is the reduction. Clear? So the answer must be 80 because the number of bogies that can be carried, not the static. वो उसको ले जाना चाहिए, वो चलना चाहिए, move करना चाहिए. And if I attach the 81 bogies, then the train will be static. The speed will be 0. So it will not be able to move ahead. But I have to carry the number of bogies. So 80 bogies should be their maximum so that this can carry out. Okay? If there is any problem, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and take care.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.